harvesting Anchia in the garden and in the greenhouse. Hello, welcome to 77's Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Hello everybody, so it's time to harvest Anchia from the garden, the greenhouse, so let's go. Anchia is also known as Solanum microcarpon, African eggplant, gumbo, and other names in other places. So harvesting Anchia, you want to cut the tip of the plant off like that, and then we also harvest the big leaves around it, around the top. Since the big leaves are gonna provide more plants and more nutrients, so we harvest the tip and the big leaves, and it's gonna generate the plant is gonna produce more heads from the stem. So we're gonna go around and harvest all the Anchia in the greenhouse and in the garden, and that's gonna provide us with at least a full dish or a couple of dishes. So we use them for as regular vegetable. You can make them as a dish, regular vegetable dish, or you can add them into your sauce or soups and other stuff. Let me know in the comments below if you grow Anchia, or if you eat Anchia, or you've seen Anchia. Let me know in the comments below, and where, especially where you're from, and what, if you guys have other names you call it. Also let me know in the comments below. So my wife is harvesting the ones on the side of the greenhouse over here. We have quite a few, so we're growing them in containers. The containers range from like 2 gallons to like 10 gallons containers. So you can definitely grow a lot of Anchia in containers if you don't have a garden space to grow it. We are growing it in the greenhouse, and we are also growing it outside. I have a video that talked about growing it and the various tips for it. I'll see if I can put the link to that in the description below. If you like the video so far, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share. So we are harvesting it, and then hopefully within maybe 2 or 3 weeks we should be able to harvest it again. Our season here, where we're growing in the zone 6A of the US, is very short. So we have about maybe 4 months of growing time with hot temperatures. So we have to try to make use of it. That's why we have to try to harvest it as soon as possible, and then let it regrow again. We harvest it again. We try to save as much as possible in terms of the harvesting and saving, so that way in the winter or the colder months we are able to eat some of the stuff that we've saved. Even though in the past I've brought it into the basement in the grow tent, and be able to save it, so that way the next season we can use the cuttings to plant again like these. I think we have enough growing right now that we might be able to get some seeds and be able to not do that with the grow tent. I'll see if I can put the link to that in the description or up above, where you can see how I brought it inside and how we're able to grow it inside. It doesn't grow as fast and as well as outside in the summer, but at least we're able to preserve it and be able to get it. Right now it's a little bit hot in the greenhouse, so if you are doing like harvesting like this, preferably do it in the morning or in the evening, or when days that places are not too hot, because when it gets very hot like this, it's not easy being in the greenhouse for long. You see my wife is sweating, so it's preferable to do it in the morning or in the evening. So the greenhouse, we water it once a day. Some days I skip the big containers. I don't water the big containers, but the smaller ones I try to make sure that I water it, because when it gets very hot, the small containers dry out fast. So the big containers can last a little bit more without watering it, because the mass that they have, and they hold a lot of liquids and nutrients. So this is we've had quite a lot. There's a lot of harvesting going on. So the next harvest is gonna be much bigger than this one because the shoots are gonna be more. We're gonna have more shoots from the stems, and the other smaller ones that are still growing up are gonna be able to give us much better results in terms of producing more leaves for us to harvest. Let me know what you think about the video in the comments below. If you like harvesting videos like this, if you're looking for something different, or if you want something different, let me know in the comments below. I'd like to know what you guys like about the video, and what you like to see more in the videos. So this plant that we are harvesting right now, these ones right here are from last year. So these are the ones I was talking about that we brought them inside, and then in the spring we brought them back into the greenhouse. As you can see, they already produce some bulbs already. These bulbs are gonna provide us with seeds. So hopefully we're gonna be able to get some seeds. We don't have to depend on the cuttings from the old plants anymore. You can see this other one has also producing some flowers over there, and so hopefully by the end of the season we should be able to get enough seeds for next year, and so if we have some extras we might be able to sell it. I know we've had a couple of people looking for seeds and asking for if we're selling Anchia seeds. Right now we don't have enough, but hopefully by the end of this season, check the video later on. If you're watching the video later on after a couple of months, we'll be able to know if we have enough seeds to save and enough seeds that we can sell. We'll put the link in the description below if we have seeds that we can sell. I know a couple of people were asking for Anchia seeds and they wanted to buy Anchia seeds. So hopefully we have a couple of plants that we're not cutting. We're letting them grow to full seeds, and they will provide us with more bulbs and more seeds, and hopefully we're gonna be able to get enough seeds that we can share and sell it to you guys if you guys are interested in it. But I know a few people already asked me about seeds. So I'm outside. This is my wife harvesting inside the greenhouse. You can see that spot was a little bit tight for us to be in there, so I just wanted to show you from outside. So this is the outside. This is our 30-gallon container. I had a video that showed you how I was planting the 30-gallon container with Anchia seeds, seedlings, and you can see that they're so big, and we're harvesting them right now. It's a lot, one big container. So so this is what we're harvesting outside, and this is the first harvest for this container. So definitely next one we're gonna get a lot more, because we're gonna get a lot more shoots, and we're gonna be getting a lot more from the container and from outside. Let me know in the comments below if you've grown Anchia in containers. Like I said before, if you've grown Anchia in containers or if you've grown it in the garden. Let me know if you have any other tips. I know I gave out some tips already, but I like to learn from other people that have grown it, and if they have other tips. I've been growing Anchia for about 6-7 years now. So, but you might learn something new from people. That's why we're here, right? So that is it. We've harvested quite a few already. Let me show you. See, this is what we've harvested, and this is what we harvested in the container right here. It's gonna give us at least a dish or two for the first harvest, which is not bad. Okay, we are done harvesting everything. So this is what we've had. We've harvested. This is the last batch right here. This is a good harvest, and this is the total that we've harvested from the garden. So awesome. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and happy growing, everybody.